Hi guys, do you know as a video editor one of the most challenging tasks is to syncing audio from different recording devices to the actual video. Suppose you are shooting a scene and using a boom mic or collar mic. In post-production you want to add audio from the boom mic, but the process of audio matching can take lots of time and give you a frustrating experience. Luckily, Filmora has got your back with its new feature, auto synchronization. Hi, this is Abhi. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the effortless way of syncing audio with the video with just few clicks. This feature ensures that the audio and video components in your multimedia content are perfectly matched. Let's understand how audio synchronization works. When you record audio and video separately, it can result in two elements being out of sync. Audio synchronization analyzes the audio waves form to determine the exact timing, detecting shift and adjusting it accordingly to achieve a perfect match with the video. So let's jump into Filmora and explore this new feature. Place your recorded video clip on a video track and make sure your clip has sound. As you can see, this video has a normal camera mic and sounds terrible. Do you know, as a video editor, one of the most challenging tasks is to syncing. Now I have a few audio clips of the same scene which I recorded using different microphone. Place all the separate audio files on a same audio track, then select all the files by pressing Ctrl+A. Right click on your clips and select the auto synchronization option from the menu. AI will take some time and align the audio to the perfect position according to the audio waveforms from different recording devices to the actual video. Luckily, Filmora has got your back with its new feature. It is that simple to sync audio with video. So now let me show you another cool feature in Filmora. Suppose you are recording audio for your video and in post-production you found that the one channel is not working. What will you do? You will go and record whole scene again. But with Filmora you can fix this problem very easily. Let me show you how. Drop your audio on a timeline. I'm going to show you the effortless way of syncing audio. Then go to the audio setting tab, then to audio channels, and from the drop down list you can copy the channel from left or right, or even you can flip the channels. I'm going to show you the effortless way of syncing audio. Audio synchronization is a remarkable feature that ensures audio and video components work together. Whether you are creating a content for a streaming platforms, broadcasting, or even VR experiences, audio synchronization plays a vital role in delivering an immersive and engaging experience to your audience. So download Filmora now from the given link in the description and check out these amazing features by yourself. Also, don't forget to leave your suggestions. See you in the next video. Bye.